All right, so I don't have a huge kitchen, but I do really like to bring out my KitchenAid when I am going to be making something like real whipped cream to go in for dessert. So let me show you how this works. So here is the KitchenAid, and first I'm going to put on whatever I want. In this case, I want a whisk, and so I'm going to throw this on here for me and lock it down. I can do that with a bread kneader or another type of kneader. There's a couple different things, but once I move it like this, you'll see it is locked down. And then, actually, let me take this off. I'm going to put my bowl on first. So here I'm going to go, and you're going to see with the bowl, there's little tabs here, right? And then in the back, there's another little thing, and you just push it down so you hear it lock. Now it is locked in here, right at this point. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my whisk in, bring it up here, take it like that. Now my whisk is in, my bowl is set, and one other step is I can use this lever here to bring it up. So now it's going to get all the way to the bottom, right? So I have the whisk on there. Then over here, there are a couple options. I can have it stir 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, or sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10. So depending on how much I want, I'm going to start it low. Make sure I have it plugged in. Okay. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. And then I can keep going higher and higher, all the way that high. Now, when I'm done, all I need to do is move this back down and then pull it, pop it right off, and you'll see it's just that easy. Now, I still have a lot of whipping to do because I'm making fresh whipping cream, but I can then go ahead and basically just throw this in the sink, go and make sure that I have it all cleaned up for the next time. This is great because while this is happening, I can work on getting the Oreos in place for this Oreo icebox dessert that I'm making with my son. So get yourself one of these if you don't have one, especially if you're thinking about doing any kind of whipping like this, or if you're going to be doing any kind of major baking, even bread. This is an awesome, awesome tool to have in your kitchen. Get one for yourself.